sunny day, shooting with the camera. Gonna go have some fun. Let's get on this adventure. Chopped down but not dug up. Gonna take that as a sign. Yeah, I gotta put gloves on. I think it's getting cold. And yeah, that's how action cameras work when you use gloves. Very simple to press, right? So let me just shut it off. It's a nice hot day, right? All this noise and horn honking. And a whole bunch of sirens just blaring all over the place. Yeah, man, look at this crowd. Crowd of pigeons. Man, take me forever to get where I need to go. What a windy day. Extremely cold. Thank God I got a camera to film. I'm going to put it away. I don't want to get it so cold, the camera. I like to keep things a little warm. That's why my hands. I was making a good decision if I should go down this road or that road. I think I'll go down this road. I want to see a little progress. Rather be on the boardwalk. I'm on the ground level. Man, that wind is kicking. It's just kicking. I'll cut down here. All aboard! You want to hop on? Let's get moving. Pizza! Back before this video, I was pointing out Tortino's Pizzeria. They used to be open. And when you get a slice of pizza, it's a whole pie, and then they close. Manager's office, had a nice chat, and off I go. Like an airplane. The wind was against me. Now it's dead calm. Well, I hope I can make it back. Woo, man, what a ride. I don't think I'm going to be riding for a while. Taking a little shortcut. It get me maybe just like, what, 150 feet. 350 feet closer. Woohoo! All right, let's move along. I got a long way still to go ahead. That's the pizza joint I've been talking about, right? You get the best slices in a pie. You can't buy a slice. And when those last pies are sold, they close. We used to park all the way down here, walk all over to the boardwalk, watch the fireworks, and then walk back. That was the closest parking spot, right over here. Oh, those were the days. Another little shortcut, and I'll be where I need to be at in no time. So yeah, hope you enjoyed my vlog, my share, you name it. I'm going to put my camera away. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. Nice hot cup of cocoa. Yes, indeed. And some lunch. I well deserve it.